So this is another probability question with a table. And if you read the information, and we'll start doing some answers. So the difference between this one and the previous one is that these are now probabilities. So the first thing I'm going to fill in is that the total should be 1, because all the probabilities make 1. Now it's immediately I can then fill in this as 0.4, so that this column here makes 1. And similarly, the row along here, this has to be 0.2. Now we can start filling in some things. So this is 35 and 1 is 45, so this must be 0.15, which means that this is 0.05, and we're just using these totals each time to make these up. So 0.15 and 0.2. So now we've done the table, we're going to do the question. So being 40 or over is 0.6. Now I could just say it's out of 1, but I don't need to write that because these are all now decimals. It's just 0.6. Number 2, voting Labour. So we can see that there are half the people vote Labour here. So that's 0.5. Okay, and these two questions, which are the given that. So voting Liberal, given that they're 40 or over. So first of all, let's go to the 40 or overs. And there are 6 or 0.6 40 or overs. That's the bit there. And voting Liberal, out of those 40 or overs that vote Liberal, there are just 0.15. So if I make this 60, this is going to be 15 over 60. And finally, being under 40, given that they voted for Green. So I know they voted for Green, which is 3. And from those that voted for Green, being under 40, are the 0.2s. I don't like to leave that as a decimal, so that's 2 over 3.